Hi, I'm Linda Remmers from Hoop Sisters, and I'm here to tell you all about our Trimmer by George 3.0. Please watch this video all the way to the end, where Annie will come on and give you a special offer just for you. So here it is, our Trimmer by George 3.0. We're so excited to show this to you. This is the trimmer side of the Trimmer by George 3.0. It does require a 60mm rotary cutter because of the height of the metal, which I'll show you in a minute. The opposite side of the trimmer is the ruler side. And on this side, we have markings for binding and sashing, so you can cut them accurately. This would be for a 2.5-inch binding. At the bottom, we have the item number, and it's also made in the USA, which we are very proud of. We have markings for 45° and 60° in case you need to cut some angles. There's a handy hole so you can hang it up when you're not using it. And on this side, you'll see a better view of the angled metal. So this metal is used to protect the block that you're going to trim from the face fabric being cut. So let's show you how to trim a block with our Trimmer by George 3.0. So here's my cute little block I just stitched up. It's the radish block from the How Does Your Garden Grow quilt that's coming out soon. And I will use the metal edge to trim off the battleizer. And if I had backing, I would also want to trim off the backing. This block just has battleizer. So the way it works is you fold back the face of your block. This is any side that you would want to join to another block. Fold it back. Take that metal edge, and I like to say shimmy it right up to the basting stitch on your block. Fold it down and make sure you don't have any fabric sticking out, which I don't. I always give it a gentle tug just to make sure it's right up against that basting. And with my 60mm rotary cutter, I will start at the bottom and just rotary cut right along that metal edge, and it will completely remove any battleizer or backing that I had on that seam allowance. And when I take the trimmer away, this is what you have. So let's do all 4 sides real quick. Same thing, little shimmy. Take my cutter, 60mm. I do keep it nice and upright. That's why we request, or we actually totally recommend, a 60mm cutter, because you can keep your cutter totally upright instead of going this direction, which could result in cutting your fabric or even wearing out your cutter because you're rolling it next to a metal edge. So 60mm is definitely the way to go. So now I have all 4 sides cut. This is what it looks like in the back, nice and close. And then I like to turn it over and use my ruler side of the Trimmer by George with my 1/4-inch line and put that right on my battleizer edge. And I trim off the excess fabric around the outside of the block. And there you have it. There's our block. Here's our wonderful new Trimmer by George 3.0. Can't wait to hear what you think about it.
Hi, I'm Annie. I hope you are as excited about this new Trimmer 3.0 as we are. We think it's going to be a wonderful product. We know you're going to love it, and you can use it on so many different quilt as you go techniques, not just ours, but any other project that you're working on. As Linda mentioned earlier, we have a special offer for you. So even if you already have your new Trimmer 3.0, you can go to our website and download a design for free. And the design is a little storage bag to store your Trimmer 3.0 in. It fits snugly inside, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it's absolutely free. So go to our website if you have not already purchased the Trimmer 3.0, put that in your cart, and also put this little guy in your cart too. If you do already have your trimmer, it's okay. You can still go to our website and download this design for free to store your Trimmer 3.0 in. We hope you love it and enjoy this tool as much as we do, and we will see you next time. Thank you.